Welcome to day one of the Stronger Than Sight 7-Day Challenge. I'm so glad you're here with me today, and we're going to jump right into it. So, let's talk a little bit about how this challenge is going to work. So, every day I'm going to come in and I'm going to have a topic for the day. I'm going to give you a short little lesson about the topic, and then I'm going to give you an action. A challenge I want you to do for the day that's relevant to our topic. And then I'll give you a little bit of a reflection prompt to kind of give you a little bit deeper dive into what you did, the activity you did. Okay, a question I'm going to ask you. Also, have a workbook that's connected with the challenge. If you want it, you don't have to sign up for the challenge or get the workbook in order to engage in the challenge. But if you want to follow along, the link is up in my bio. Okay, so day one of challenge. Our topic today is reclaiming your identity. Look, vision loss took our sight, but it did not take who we are. It didn't change your values. It didn't change your determination. It didn't change your purpose. Okay, so let's make sure we understand that it may have took your sight and some of your sight, but it didn't take you. You're still in there. You just need to reconnect with yourself again. I know, sometimes we judge ourselves and we identify ourselves by what things like our job, where we work, the career we had, the role we had in our family, how independent and how freedom we were. I know my freedom was very important. I mean, for me, when I lost my vision, that was a big question for me. Like, what am I gonna do now? Who am I? Because I had a mindset and thinking of who I was and what identified me, my career, my role as a mom and a wife, and how independent I was, and what I did in my family. So, that's the topic for today. So, what I want you to do today to help you reclaim your identity, we're focusing on ourselves today. What I want you to do is write or say it out loud 10 qualities that still identify yourself. So, for me, I would say something like, I'm confident still. I'm compassionate. I have a love for helping people. So write your list. If you write it down, write your list down, or go ahead and audio record it. Because I want you to kind of keep track of what you're doing today, so you can kind of go back and look at it if you need to. Okay. So write down those 10 qualities, and then the reflection for today. Which one of those qualities do you still see in yourself today, right now? Doesn't I'm not gonna give you a number, but just which one of those qualities of all the 10 you wrote down, which one of those are still relevant today that you see in yourself? Okay. And so that's our challenge for today. So every day I'm gonna be coming back here and I'm gonna teach a short lesson, like you see, very short lesson, give you an activity, a challenge for the day, and I want you to do the challenge. Don't just get on here and listen to it, but we're doing the work for 7 days, okay? Because we are trying to transform some things. We're trying to rebuild our confidence and our independence. And the only way you're going to do something and get something back is you work for it. So don't forget to do the work, write those qualities out, and then come back in here tomorrow or tonight after you do the activity and let me know what you think. What some of your qualities are. Okay, you can drop them in the comments right now if you want to. All right. So I'll see you back here for day two in the Stronger Than Sight Confidence Challenge.